Bam! Guys, gals, remember high school? Well, I do. 1989 Mustang GT 5.0 hatchback, buckets, console, and the 5-speed transmission right in the center console there. 5.0 motor, power steering, power disc, factory air conditioning. Now, this car here is something I had in high school. Mine was a convertible. This one was one of my best friend's cars. He had the black one, the GT Crew. Shout out. Anyway, man, just reminiscing my high school years, and now I have, and I found this beautiful 5.0 locally here in our town. Bought it from the kid who actually had the car restored, the body, the paint. He had the whole car repainted. He stayed with the two-tone, but what he did was a little different than how they came, okay? And what he did was the bottom half of the car, this argent silver, he did this in a high gloss, okay? As you can see there. And the body shop did a really, really nice job. He upgraded the wheels to the Cobra wheels, as you can see. Just a nice car all around. I don't see any dings and no dents, guys. And this thing stands out. Check out this interior here. Look at this. 5-speed right there in the center console. Beautiful interior. Back front. Headliner. Now, the car, the body has 118,000 miles on it. But since he rebuilt, the engine was rebuilt once at 65,000 miles from what I was told. And also the body and paint just got done like 6 months ago. Really, really sharp on every corner of the car. Like I said, I don't see any scratches, no dings, no dents on this beautiful GT. Sounds really nice too. Let's fire this thing up really quick and show you what's working, what's not. I'm sure everything is, but let's take a quick look. All right. We got our turn signals working. I already checked the headlights. It all functions. Wipers are working. And the horn, delete radio. And yes, the everything works here. Okay. It's blowing cold, but not really cold. So if you wanted to recharge that, you can. Beautiful, everything 5-speed here. Oh, let me shut that off. Okay. Anyway, really, really nice up here. He had to redo the interior because it looks too good. Okay. Let's go for a quick ride. Listen to this thing. Just like a GT's supposed to sound, folks. All right, let's get the focus in line here. Give me a second. There we go. Dealer plate. Yep, ready. Check. All right. Whew. It's a nice day here. This thing sounds really, really good, guys. Suspension feels tight on the car. Going around the corners. Steering feels great. It's nice and tight. Good reaction. Suspension does feel excellent on the car. I'm sure it's been redone because it just feels really, really good. Really solid. All the gauges seem to be functioning like they should. E-brake works as well. Now, if you wanted us to add a stereo system for you, we can do it for about 500 bucks. Okay, or you can do it yourself, whatever you want to do. Oh, wow, this is sweet. Brakes feel good too. Man, it goes around the corners really, really nice. Clutch feels excellent. No joke, man. No joke. Man, I miss those days. Woo! Wow, this thing tracks really, really good. Straight down the road. No issues. Man, I love those 80s and 90s, guys. Man, those days were awesome. Great memories, great music. Loved it. Loved those times. Wow. So if you guys been looking for a GT, Fox body, guys, I search the country every day. I have a lot of passion for these 80s and 90s cars. I had the 89 convertible in high school, fell in love with it, and know a lot about it. So I'm really excited to have this car in my possession and to resell it to you guys. We're going to go down a little bit further and we're going to turn around and get back to the dealership. But talking to you guys a little bit here, if you guys need financing and if your credit score is like 620 to, I would say 750, go to my website, click the finance tab and fill out the credit application. You will need 10% down. So in this case, you will need about $2,000 to $3,000 down payment. Okay. So keep that in mind. For those of you who have a credit score of like 780 and higher, we have a no money down option. And you can go to lightstream.com for that. But please, anyone filling out a credit application, please let's make sure that the car is still available. I will leave my phone number at the end of this video for you guys to get in touch with me, call me, text me, whichever way. Let's make sure the car's still available. I don't want you to fill out an application, you know, and this car's already sold or we got a deposit on it or whatever the case may be. So let's just keep that in mind. I'll leave my phone number at the end of this video. If you need delivery, it's not a problem. You can definitely call me or text me, again, your zip code, and I will give you a quote for delivery, okay? So I'm just going to do a U-turn here and go back to the dealership, okay? Was a little noise making that left-hand turn, and I'll make sure my mechanics take a look at it and correct whatever that was. Not a problem. It's very small, I'm sure. Okay. I do inspect all the vehicles before they leave to a new home. In this case, I told you pretty much everything about this one, I'm sure. To the right lane here. Yeah, I think that noise was a bump in the road anyway. But we'll check it out. All right, so we talked about the car. We talked about the financing. We talked about the delivery. I will leave my phone number at the end here for you guys. Now, we're about 20 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport. If you guys wanted to fly in, pay cash, or bring a cashier's check, bank check, and drive home with the car, this car would drive across the country with no problems. Or if you need the delivery, just text me your zip code, and I'll get you a quote. all of our deliveries fully insured for the purchase price of the vehicle. So I'm sure you got a pen handy by now. All right, my name is Thomas, guys, and I want to say thank you for watching here at mgmclassiccars.com. I do these videos every day on nice days outside, okay? When you don't see me doing a video out, you know, like this, then that means that we have rain or the weather's not that good, okay? So keep that in mind. I like sharing all the information about the cars that we sell to you. I like to be transparent with everything because I expect people to do the same to me, right? So, yeah. So if you got a pen handy, my number is 847-848-1850. Call me, text me your zip code. I'll get you a delivery quote. Pretty quick there. If I don't answer the phone and you call me, just leave a message and I will have someone or myself give you a call back. Yeah, buddy. Brakes feel good too. Power windows all function correctly. Very clean car. Very clean. Very nice. So if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. It's the red button on the bottom right of your screen. If you don't see it, click it. If you don't see it, find it, click it. There's a little bell, click that too. So you can get emails and notifications every time I get a new video and a new car. Yep. Check us out on Facebook as well, MGM Classic Cars. You can check us out on Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So, and TikTok too. So check us out on all platforms on social media. If you guys have any suggestions for me for my videos, please let me know. I am always willing to learn new things and better things to improve the quality and the performance and the exposure on my cars. Definitely. Guys, gals, thank you for watching. My name is Thomas, mgmclassiccars.com. Have a great, great day. You know I will.